In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix WhatsApp not ringing on incoming calls. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is swipe down on the top right of your screen. Just make sure your volume is actually up and it's not like muted or anything like that. That could be why. Secondly, make sure you're not on do not disturb mode or anything like that because you're not going to get any notifications then. Thirdly, make sure you're not connected to any AirPods or any headset or any speakers, anything like that using Bluetooth. So just go ahead and turn Bluetooth off because it might be the case that you're receiving the calls and they're ringing, but you can't hear them because it's connected to like an external speaker in your room or anything like that. You can also go to your WhatsApp settings and then go to notifications like so, and then just make sure your notifications are on for everything, whether it's reminders, in-app notifications, like sounds, vibrate, banners, things like that as well. You want to make sure those things are on, and then after that, you should be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know down in the comments below what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.